Don't be basic. It's 2020. It's the year for expansion. Make it happen. Make it work. So one of the common misconceptions about marketing, about follow-up, about actually connecting with people is how much am I doing? How much is needed? Am I doing too much? Am I like spamming you? Right? Think about it. If you comment on somebody's post, if you like a couple of their pictures, if you decide to actually send them a message, that's just basic. That's standard. Like, that's what you should be doing. What's necessary for them to actually get their attention, right? For you to get their attention is for you to actually engage with them on a different level. Comment, real comments, no copy and paste, no little emojis here and there. No, take a look at the picture, look at the post, engage with them, truly. Not only that, but don't stop there. You gotta like a couple of their photos, go into their Instagram. Hey, comment back on their Instagram. Cool, maybe that's one day's worth. The next day, hey, by the way, I sent you a DM. Did you get a chance to look at it? Okay, cool. Then if they don't respond back from there, you can actually go ahead and send them over a video if they haven't even responded back. They're living their life, right? At the end of the day, they're living their life. They might not have time for you. So in order to actually acquire that time, to grab that attention, really awesome ways to do that is to actually whip out your phone, right? Create a short video, 10 to 15 seconds, introducing yourself. Hey Stacy, I am a real person. I'm here. I'm excited to connect with you. I see so much potential. I would love to reconnect with you and share with you how it can be a benefit. Why not? Why not? Why can't you do that? Nothing's stopping, right? And I wouldn't even stop there. The next step is if you come across an article and you see that it would be beneficial to Stacy, send her over that link about the article. It might even change her life. It might be something that she needed that day. Maybe it'll grab her attention finally. Not just there, but what if you connected with someone else that maybe Stacy could get a client from, or maybe be a potential friend, or maybe be that connection that Stacy needs, right? That's where you can actually grab their attention, being in service to them in a way that nobody else is doing. Not even their friends are doing this for them. Imagine you doing that for them. Like, that's so powerful. We live in a world today that people stick to the basic, right? Expect exponential. And then in between those two extremes, right? They cry about it. Why haven't I gotten to the exponential? Why am I not making the sales? Why am I not being successful? Why am I not reaching my goals? Why am I not blah, 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 blah? I can go in depth. But at the end of the day, if you start here and you don't gradually move yourself to here, you will still end up where you first started. Don't be basic. It's 2020. It's the year for expansion. Make it happen. Make it work. Prove to yourself that you can do it. And just when you feel like you're about to give up, that is the point of breaking. That is the point of breaking into greatness.